I was a comedian, so I can't afford no class with John Mahama. For anyone be as a person, Jenna, meaning so person, father of Africa, say, as a Nkrumah mentality, that's all Muhammad Trimu, and then we'll do Hanomo, and Chanoha, and my Wakaya, Yachin Kokobon in Ewa Nigeria. Yache, oh, we president, oh, the crew, we are going in Nigeria. Hello, and I TikTok as for no. Aba clash with John Mahama say there be ade a warrior no wo hwe yi do agofo ye ne bia amba Ghana ha do mo yesre na ada me mo nchire mu no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah Brook Media me so say ni di mu oba like video no ada ma subscribe button samba click notification icon of latest update na ba kire wadwen de ama me e wo comment section so ba so no a for anya bia you know Mahama betra kunya so no na mamu no aye fancy je because oni mind it for no oye bibia na picture pape our president the change we voted for this my president Mahama you deserve that you that they will not see through say ade we kwa na ekoto kura no how they will not ask any legitimate question picture popping up on the internet yeah oh this is the change we voted for our vote is working that kwasi ake kasa you know I saw a picture in a video whereby Mahama was traditionally crowned as a chief in Nigeria. And I was asking myself, how? Because how? Unya Nigeria ni, unti kromo honomo, unfree kromo ho. A simu send a crown as a chief over there. How? Mentiase. I don't even get it. Because fine. Igbo mind crowded that Igbe oh eze ihenetu Jude eze Jude ihenetu ono wabetena hache enti ye seen as chief of diaspora affair aye normal obetima defend kakra cause or Tioman Ghana hanomo but here's the case obi president wo the crew na yakobo no chief ewo oman foforo so nya even that oman na mu crew or mindful for us krum how na say enene Mahama duru ha no mo e china no duru country so ene wo ha o ye we ma we o donate scam we o ji chese o ji nipa we ba o man Ghana mu o de we fa ha no mo o de we yes as a Nkrumah mentality na bi father of Africa that Nkrumah mentality na amwa Ghana no or tam Ghana sika no da kwaye kwan obi man so na Ghana ye bre or tam Ghana esika no rakwe we wa hanomo or tam Ghana na uko India nyina ye wo street of Nkrumah e wo India ba Ghana ye kwan ye ntima anya de kama ye wo street of Nkrumah e wo ha just call man bia so a South Africa ye wo Nkrumah street e wo ho just say Nkrumah ye nema schools ne universities ne ade across the world anka that nema no go focus see wo Ghana ye no man we mu a anka Ghana ko nanim sinisa as a bina Mahama nam that kwana so father of Africa we dim say any motive say is some ominim na agenda no ana ko media as Ghana for say any dey my accessories yesere wada enkwati oye ni bi emesai Ghana ko mu yesere wa.
Good evening, Ghanaians. My name is Ghana Boy. His Excellency John Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana. Daddy, Ghana Boy, today I'm here at the Freedom and Justice Tower for a reason. The President of Ghana is Excellency John Mahama. I'm here on behalf of so many Ghanaians that are not happy with the recent speech, Daddy, you made in Nigeria when you went for your chieftaincy in Nigeria. Just this year, as Ghanaian citizens, we've heard of so many tragic incidents, which are our Nigerian brothers, like Daddy, you say, taking the lives of so many Ghanaians. This year, we heard from credible news sources that a lady or a Ghanaian lady, our own very sister, Frida Anon, who works with the Ghana High Commission or the Ghana Embassy in Nigeria, was abducted by some unknown people in Abuja. Few days later, we heard she has lost her life. Daddy, just this year, we heard that Patrick Tete, a taxi driver who is also a Ghanaian, got unalived by 3 Nigerians around the Pram Pram stretch. 3 Nigerians, which all that I'm saying, are all incredible sources. We heard again this year that a Nigerian unalived a Ghanaian landlord in Kasua with a scissors. Mr. President, as citizens of this country, coming across this news and these incidents, we couldn't sit idle. We went on the streets to demonstrate, to call on the attention of the Ghanaian authorities to at least speak a word on these incidents. We didn't hear anything from the office of the president. We didn't hear anything from the Minister of Foreign Affairs. We didn't hear anything from all the ministers we have in Ghana. We as citizens, we were just playing our part of showing solidarity and seeking for justice for our Ghanaian brothers and sisters. Up till now, December, the year is ending. We've not heard anything from any politician. Just for us to hear yesterday that the president of Ghana is in Nigeria declaring that Ghana and Nigeria, we are brothers. And if Nigeria is to prosper, Ghana is to prosper. And Ghana this and Ghana that. Mr. President, to some of us, we don't hate Nigerians, but we are very, very disappointed that this is happening in Ghana. It's as if we can't seek justice for our fellow Ghanaians anymore. And at this point, to every Ghanaian that will stand up and insult us because of political reasons, we leave all of you to Almighty Allah.
You know something? I keep on saying this. From now on to 20 years to come, in case, if anything happened to Ghana, we should hold John Mahama responsible for that. Because John Mahama wants to turn himself to Jesus Christ. But he can never be Jesus Christ. Let the truth be told. John Mahama, either he want to turn himself into Jesus Christ, or he want to behave as if Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. But I'm telling you the truth. You can never become Jesus Christ, neither Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. These are the things Osajefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah did, saying Africa unity, Africa unity. Meanwhile, all the things that Osajefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah was saying, he was having a good mindset, a positive mindset for the whole of Africa. Not knowing that some of the Africans, they hate what he wanted to do. And they stop him, especially Nigerians. Nigerians, they stop Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. They sabotage him. Yes, bringing African unity together, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, his agenda, it was Nigerians who sabotaged him. Yes. And now, John Dramani Mahama, the chief for Nigerians, want to do the same thing. Instead of focusing on your own country to build your own country, you will not do it. And you are moving around and doing unnecessary things. Things that you are not supposed to do. You are doing it. You see, sometimes I don't know why. Nigerians aircraft have landed in Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traoré place, and then Ibrahim Traoré has arrested those Nigerians. Does that concern you? That is why they want to make you the president of ECOWAS. They want to use you as a scapegoat to go and deliver and deliver them from the hands of Ibrahim Traoré. You see, once Ibrahim Traoré has released these Nigerians, you have to let them to go back to their country. You have to. You see, don't believe a black man. Especially Nigerians. Me, I don't trust these people. John Dramani Mahama. The people that you think you trust them and you are supporting them, be very careful. Because if anything happened to Ghana right now, we will hold you responsible. That one, it is not a joke. We gave you the power to come and build Ghana. We didn't give you the power to go and use that power on Nigeria, on Nigerians. Yes, Nigerians, they are not our brothers because they are saying they are the giants of Africa. If they are the giants of Africa, they should use their giants to solve their issues. That the issues of Nigerians concern you, Mr. President. Please, or you think that it was Nigerians who voted for you or what? And you want to do everything instead of focusing on your own country to build your country. Look at the way Ghanaians are suffering. We don't have job, we don't have work to do. Instead of focusing and creating job for us, you are moving around and doing, stepping into unnecessary. Charlie, I'm getting bored. I'm getting fed up of you. Why? Mr. President, I don't want to talk anyhow to you, but the way you are doing things, we don't like it. We don't like it. Stop. No, you can never be Jesus Christ. You can never be Jesus Christ. Let them solve their own issue. Huh? Instead of allowing them to send their aircraft to their own country, you have allowed them to land in Ghana. And if they have anything to destroy Ghana, how will you know? Charlie, let us be Massa.
John Mahama, President of Ghana. The President of Ghana, John Mahama, we beg you. John Mahama, I'm on my knees. It seems we need to beg. John Mahama, we beg you. Leave the Nigerians and their president alone to focus on their country. Let's focus on Ghana. John Mahama, we beg you. As an Mike to say, Onyaji Mike say kasape our Nigerian brothers and we in Nigeria and Ghana and Nigeria. But also we beg you. How many times do we hear the Nigerian president talking about Ghana? The only time I heard Tinubu talking about Ghana was when Tinubu came to your inauguration in Ghana. When Tinubu came to your inauguration, Mr. President, that was the only time I've heard Tinubu open his mouth to mention the name Ghana. John Mahama, we beg you, boys don't get job what they do for this country inside. Job no day. Boys a real school when you do National service, yes, I am man. 32 years, 33 years, 34 years. If you mommy, they give them money rather than they take by cocoa. But what's up? We beg you, leave Nigerians, make them focus on their country. You too, you are president of Ghana. Focus on Ghana. How to build factories. You have so many spaces in this country. You have Western North, Western South, Kintampo West, Kintampo South, Adesu North, Kumasi Central, Kumasi. Focus on Ghana, Bossu, see, we beg you. John Mahama, we beg you. See, on behalf of all the jobless youth in Ghana, I beg you. Focus on Ghana. Focus on Ghana. Forget Africa. Focus on Ghana. How can we make Ghana better? How can we connect the northern corridor to the southern corridor, and to the southern corridor to the eastern corridor? What's up? Mike back Nigeria and our Nigerian brothers and Nigerians will come to Ghana, and when Nigerians come to Ghana, they will get a place to stay. But what's up? Leave Nigeria. You are making people feel we hate. We don't hate Nigerians. But as Ghanaian youth, we want jobs. Ghana youth teenager na go Dubai. Ghana youth teenager na go UAE. You don't want dirty work. All the youth are running away. The youth are crying. There's no jobs in the country. Then every day, Nigeria. What's up?
Ghana for a quiet John Mahama or the Ghana democracy fashion. I was said yen na concern na ye kasetia. Anya sa yebenya so nsunsuan so bone. Akwan John Dramani Mahama etietia Ghana democracy so no. Se ya nhwe ye ni anka bibia nkyere no a na otokoso ya. Me enyam nwanwa se ebehye asojafo agufu amoma eku. I wouldn't be surprised. Akwan John Dramani Mahama or the democracy no fashion no otietia democracy no so no se wa ambo break ya mpe bibia nka nkyere no na wa ambo break a bibia ekọ no enye emma Ghana oman no. And it's about time I was here so original ye kan okore no e de kire no oba ese omampanyini. There were individuals that almost several wabamu previous government. The last government a charge on various offenses. No case court. Na court to di asemono. O former appointees are na per government investigation or ma charge or modu or ma jina court no. Nanye less than 6 people. Oba ya na utwitwa ni nyina mu. Opunine fertilizer ho nsem no. Ato forcing any ambulance ho nsem no. Any other cases are na ewo courts. Oba ya na utwitwa ni nyina mu say oman no enye interested in say obe pursue those cases. Ana ujai omunyina. But as a case afamra kwan so ya charge nipa for offenses or my do omagina court no. Say if say omunye boni bia ana ban dada no e pese of fa kwan bi so e punish omo a. Let the law speak. So omunye boni bia at the end of the ruling no court be set you free. And at least let the court processes end and let those people be cleared at the law courts. And so by also there be no immediately, you started arresting your political opponents. You started harassing them. Arresting anyhow. Said the very thing a man won't call for any be or former appointees. Our court do a massive. You are fighting that very thing, corruption. Meanwhile, we jai omono, we free woman from courts. Anna would di political opponents echi. Mama said in am tameklu. Said in am tameklu. Cantamanto fire victim seeker Maslock. Nanka also de kobwa momo SIC Cantamanto market no. Or then in some boats can na pua. Or they called 2 on 1 account sumudi ye di on 1 kasa epe. At the expense of the poor Ghanaians or mo bre o mo hu ye adwuma kakra toto etu ato ne edi achechire o man no o Cantamanto market ho no. Maame no nko afa esika no wo de share no ho. Asem ya kodi court ama ya convicted enipa no se wonko da fiase. I think 10 years or 15 years. Ono no a court edi na se mawie a ya convicted no. Wonenam abroad freely. Wonenam ho with all the freedom. Obi anka ono no ho asem. The convicted criminal no. Obi anka ono no ho asem no wonenam ho no freely. Miwa can oforiata muntimi mpon charge no. Muntimi prepare charge sheet against him. Muntimi farm rakwan so prepare charge sheet against him. So when from so why? Ono momu na modern debate. And because you have gullible supporters ne, some Ghanaians are sabi o madwen wo for edi mwachinti. Muguso na moye sa ade no a obi antimi nka no kore no emfa nkyere mo. Why don't you pursue Sedinam Tamakula or no mpo de yetimi de ensa esi ye bokas were a criminal because court are convicting? Why don't you pursue her? Adena mum pursue or no na mon hwehwe no whereabouts? Na can oforiata muntimi kran put 2 charges together against him no. Or no na mode no ho asemo ye propaganda or Ghana ho. Ana Ghana no so sabe because dodo na adwen wo for munti we are unable to analyze some of these Niyama John Dramani Mahama ya ebetimi abo man but yama politics akatakata yani ana mudi na china moye no yodium. Why should you come to power and target your political opponent? And cases a fa won call for ho de what twetwetwe no mu nyina ye nyina ye no kwan a wo de your friend is saying chief justice so you are doing all these things against the very fiber of our country, democracy. But people are not serious about it. We don't talk about it. Now, say ye jainu dina se otokoso ye. Minim so abe cross boundary no because you say power corrupts. At absolute power corrupt absolutely. Obe cross boundary no ama ya nhwe ya Ghana ye ntia sempa wo. Ekwa John Dramani Mahama which hunting na onye interested in pursuing cases fa ono ankasa no nkofo ho a eno nso ye corrupt cases huge sums of Ghana's money, billions of dollars and cedis. Ono nkofo ne de wasan omu nyina ho case wo court nyina watwitwatwitwa ni nyina mu so onye interested so be pursue. Meanwhile, you keep on targeting your political opponent and chasing them here and there, harassing them, arresting them in rainbow style. As if said Ghana nyemra constitution na yedwuma Ghana. And we look on Ghanaians and ya man okwan na sabi o dis ansem hunu ne yehwe no. Na se ya nhwe yi a that time will come ye nyina ebetena se akasa ye hu yi a nanka. And that's when I say 3 times. So ya John Mahama who said the or the constitution no and now the democracy here no dangerous to Ghana. Ebe ye no na dwen se Ghana for ye that very cheaper or be try so be pursue that agenda no, and that will be very risky for Ghana. And we need to be very, very careful. See, Ghana, these are some of the things we have to look at. You cannot come to power and you start harassing your political opponent in this 21st century. Why? And then the biabano, what baba mu de ne say obe wechante, obe harass opponent. Now won't call for the way free woman. Abra omonso the very Ghana for sika taxpayer sika ehho asem na ye ka no efa corruption unko for the wa clear omo. It's the same thing na uye ewo galamsey ho harassing chairman untumi and others ana wan kasa unko for the waja omo no omo ye galamsey no say ensasi. Why do you do that? And Ghana for ye to where say enkasa because of hypocrisy. Because of hypocrisy. Yebe yama John Mahama ni tie kun no. Yebe yama ni trima ene de say oppressor obe court third term obetimi enya and he will start something stupider. Emphasize ndue mre o man no. Enti si amana hu from now say the oil no nsem hunu ana odia ni trimba ene de ama obe cross the line and it wouldn't help Ghana. Why? Enemrem o my be person be press mpuntu be koso no wo de obae no you are not interested in that. Said nam tamaklo afa kantamanto ma fosika o market ahye kakra o ma ye o manya bibi adwuma no ahye a aban fa yene taxes enko support o man ono nko afa ahye no court convict no into prison custody. One nam afa no ho adi amonhwehwe no. Backen of a time when to prepare charge sheet against him, no, or another topic. Just because you have gullible people, very gullible people are they be more person with politics around something. Now they are two for adjune atu baby. When you call for adjune free near maybe so, and that is exactly what you are doing. Why don't you go and look for Sadinam Temakula or no what for Sika court are convicting? And all these things are happening. See the friends and civil society organizations, any the media, when you know come on what John Mahama this answer way. God should just have mercy on Ghana. That is all I can say. Because dear John Mahama, you know, me say, said Mama Yan Kabi and Senwa, a bet trasso, a trasso, emphasis and papa some regana.
To the wide mammy, ever comment section. I Penyah broke media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!